Drivers behind your lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
And we're off into the final match of round number 1. Right away, the Blue Alliance, they're looking to answer back. Red Alliance, we've seen how important these autons can be. There we go, Pyrotech, there looks like they're a little bit off, though. Slice, they're trying to pick up an additional note, but they're just not finding it either. Pyrotech continues to shake shots, but they're just bouncing wide. Slice seems like they might have figured it out. They're trying to light it up, but they can't find it. The Red Alliance leaves the auton period with a 5-point advantage. There we go, the Blue Alliance, they're finding their extra notes that they didn't find during Auton. Rotoraptors manages to score 1. There we go, a pushing match in the midfield. These bots, they're trying to contest for these midfield notes. They're closer than driving all the way across the match. Pyrotech manages to get 1 up. Well, the Blue Alliance, the Rotoraptors, they're trying to score. It's 15-15. The Blue Alliance, they amp their speaker. They're ready to go. The Red Alliance, they pull ahead. The Red Alliance is going to need to answer that back. It looks like the Robo Eagles, they're trying to score in the amplifier, earn that bonus for themselves. The Blue Alliance, though, they're continuing to pull ahead. Now with a 5-point lead. Team Pyrotech's trying to pull it back, and they score into the Red Alliance speaker. On the blue side, we got 2 robots in the source. Red Alliance looks like they're in about the same spot. They're all trying to get notes. It's the absolute necessity for how you score during this period of the match. Looks like Slice manages to sink another one for the Blue Alliance into the amp. The Blue Alliance, they're on 1 of their 2 notes needed for amp. The Red Alliance, they're ready to amp up. The subwoofer may light up in just a moment. There it is, and a note gets scored for 5 additional points, bringing the match to a 0-point game. Red, blue, 4 versus 5. Both want to continue in the upper bracket. Their chances are better up there. Boom, there we go. The Robo Eagles score another one, pulling the Red Alliance ever so slightly ahead. The Rotoraptors answer back in kind. It's back and forth, just like these 2 bots in front of me, the Ziminators and T-Rex, pushing each other every which way. The Blue Alliance amp is lit up, ready to go. Slice needs to score. They need those bonus points. They only have a couple of seconds, and they miss the window. That could cost them the match, but it's still going to be so very close. Blue Alliance leading by only a singular point. Robo Eagles miss their dump into the amp. That's the 1 point they need to equalize this match. It's now a 10-point lead for the Blue Alliance, though, with 27 seconds left. Blue may have this locked in. Red needs to get their act together if they're going to keep themselves in the upper bracket. That sound was 20 seconds left. The human player throws her in the air. The end game's beginning. 1 note highlight spotlights. Will we see a bot hang there to earn that additional point? We'll have to see. Blue Alliance looks like Slice. They're trying to get themselves up in the air. They've got 4 seconds to do it. There we go. Robo Eagles are up. Slice isn't quite. And they tip over as the buzzer rings. Alliance takes the win, 62-55. Alliance number 3, they will continue on the upper bracket. Alliance number 6, they've got a second chance on the lower bracket.